Hello student, myself Neha Singh. I am counselor of Gyan Niketan Girls School. Today I am going to tell you about the most common problem of human being is stress. Now come to first slide. So, what is stress? Stress is the body's reactions to any changes that requires an adjustment or response. The body reacts to these changes with physical, mental, and emotional response. Stress is a normal part of life. You can experience stress from your environment, your body, and your thoughts. Even positive life changes, such as promotions, first day of school or job, marriage. Next slide. Type of stress. According to American Psychological Associations, there are three different types of stress: acute stress, episodic acute stress, and chronic stress. What is acute stress? It's our body immediate reaction to a new changes, events or demands, and it triggers your fight or flight responses. Example: pressure of automobile accidents or argument with family. Next, what is episodic acute stress? When acute stress happens frequently, it is called episodic acute stress. People with episodic acute stress can also be hostile towards others and have a strained relationship. Next, what is chronic stress? If acute stress is not resolved and begins to increase or last for long periods of time, it becomes chronic stress. This stress is constant and does not go away. Come to next slide. Now I am going to tell you what is differences between positive stress and negative stress. Positive stress is also called eustress and negative stress called de-stress. Positive stress motivates and focus energies. Negative stress cause anxiety. Positive stress it is short term. Negative stress can be short or long term. Positive stress as perceived as a coping abilities. Negative stress perceived as outside of coping ability. Positive stress feel exciting. Negative stress feels unpleasant. Positive stress increase performance. Example starting a new job or marriage. Negative stress decrease performance. Examples death of a spouse or being neglected. Now, I am going to tell you about reactions of stress. They are two types of stress: psychological reactions and physiological reactions. In psychological reactions, cognitive impairment, lack of attention and concentrations, lack of memory, rigidity in behavior, anxiety, anger and aggressions, empathy and depressions, lack of interest. In physiological reactions, high blood pressure, body ache, insomnia, nausea, etc. Now, I will tell you about signs and symptoms. Frequent headaches, body ache, chest pain, difficulties in breathing, increased smoking or alcohol use, insomnia, grinding teeth, weight gain or loss, frequent urinations, constipations, diarrhea, nausea or vomiting, cold or sweaty hands and feet, social withdrawal or isolation. Next slide. Effects of stress on body: decreased protein synthesis, decreased essential movements, increased cholesterol and fatty acids in bloods or energy reproduction systems, suppressed immune systems, increased blood pressure, faster blood clotting, increased stomach acids, increased productions of blood sugar for energy. Now, I will tell you causes of stress. Common external causes of stress: Major life changes, w- work or schools, relationship difficulties, financial problem, being too busy, children and family. Next, common of internal causes of stress, chronic worries, pessimism, negative self-talk, unrealistic expectations, rigid thinking, all or nothing attitude. These are few common reactions in stress. That's all. Stay at home and stay safe. Thank you. In next session, I will tell you about stress management.